everybody, Danny here. Let's go ahead and finish off the painting and just do a little recap on what we did, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. We're just kind of finishing up on our piece that we've been working on. And what we're going to do is we're just going to come right down here, just like this. We're going to give it a little bit of green in which to stand. Now, what we did on this is we took just some very basic shapes and stayed really simple, and we came in and we just let the colors meld together by going wet into wet. We threw some salt in there, and it wasn't as dramatic as I would have hoped, but if you could see it close, you could see where the salt did its job, and it put kind of an interesting texture in there, and that was really neat. Then, of course, we just painted in the tree trunks yesterday, okay, and the branches and such as that. This was a very fun little painting to do. And I think tomorrow we just might take something that's a little bit more heavy on the painting side, but it's going to be fun. But I hope that you have enjoyed this and maybe been inspired by it to go ahead and give it a try. One of the viewers said that it looks like Easter eggs, and you know it does. And I was wondering if there's any way you could dye Easter eggs to look like that. Maybe somebody out there knows. Maybe somebody will do it. I think it would be kind of fun. So be with me tomorrow, and we'll start on our next adventure. And remember to like, subscribe, comment. We need the comments. Be sure you hit the bell to get all notifications. And remember, above all else, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we are. We're finished with this project. Tomorrow, we're going to be off on something new. Okay? Be with me then, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.